Will there be music at the party? Will there be music at the party?
Yes, there will be lots of music. Yes, there will be lots of music.
Will you be going swimming tomorrow? Will you be going swimming tomorrow?
Yes, I will be going swimming with my friends. Yes, I will be going swimming with my friends.
What time will the show be on TV? What time will the show be on TV?
The show will be on at 7 p.m. The show will be on at 7 p.m.
Will we be getting a new pet? Will we be getting a new pet?
Yes, we will be getting a puppy. Yes, we will be getting a puppy.
Will you be eating pizza for dinner? Will you be eating pizza for dinner?
Yes, we will be having pizza tonight. Yes, we will be having pizza tonight.
Will we be playing soccer today? Will we be playing soccer today?
Yes, we will be playing soccer. Yes, we will be playing soccer.
Will you be helping me with the homework? Will you be helping me with the homework?
Yes, I will help you. Yes, I will help you.
Will the playground be open? Will the playground be open?
Yes, it will be open all day. Yes, it will be open all day.
Will you be coming to my birthday party? Will you be coming to my birthday party?
Yes, I will be coming. Yes, I will be coming.
Will we be watching a movie at school? Will we be watching a movie at school?
Yes, we will be watching a movie in class. Yes, we will be watching a movie in class.
Will you be getting a new backpack? Will you be getting a new backpack?
Yes, I will be getting a new one next week. Yes, I will be getting a new one next week.
Will the park be crowded this afternoon? Will the park be crowded this afternoon?
Yes, it will be crowded with kids. Yes, it will be crowded with kids.
Will you be eating cake for your birthday? Will you be eating cake for your birthday?
Yes, I will be having cake. Yes, I will be having cake.
Will you be going to the library tomorrow? Will you be going to the library tomorrow?
Yes, I will be going to borrow a book. Yes, I will be going to borrow a book.
Will we be playing board games later? Will we be playing board games later?
Yes, we will be playing Monopoly. Yes, we will be playing Monopoly.
Will you be able to finish your homework? Will you be able to finish your homework?
Yes, I will be able to finish it. Yes, I will be able to finish it.
Will you be sharing your toys? Will you be sharing your toys?
Yes, I will share my toys with my friends. Yes, I will share my toys with my friends.
Will there be a surprise at the party? Will there be a surprise at the party?
Yes, there will be a surprise gift. Yes, there will be a surprise gift.
Will you be playing with your dolls today? Will you be playing with your dolls today?
Yes, I will be playing with my dolls. Yes, I will be playing with my dolls.
Will we be having lunch in the classroom? Will we be having lunch in the classroom?
No, we will be having lunch outside. No, we will be having lunch outside.
When will the next school holiday be? When will the next school holiday be?
The next school holiday will be in a month. The next school holiday will be in a month.
Will you be wearing your new shoes today? Will you be wearing your new shoes today?
Yes, I will be wearing them. Yes, I will be wearing them.
Will you be riding your bike this afternoon? Will you be riding your bike this afternoon?
Yes, I will be riding it with my friend. Yes, I will be riding it with my friend.
What will you be doing on the weekend? What will you be doing on the weekend?
I will be going to my cousin's house. I will be going to my cousin's house.
Will the school be closed tomorrow? Will the school be closed tomorrow?
No, the school will be open. No, the school will be open.